guys, welcome back. Well, actually the video's over. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys are having a great day. I didn't really record an outro yesterday, so if you're back here from yesterday, that means you most likely subscribed, so thank you, you're the real MVP. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe and drop a comment. It would greatly help me out and I'd appreciate it, and I'd love to hear from you guys. I think that's about it. See you guys back here tomorrow. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. I mean, I have some stuff to do, but in today's video, I was working on home runs, mounting boxes, and wiring circuits, and I feel like I'm missing something. I can't remember, but anyways, I was wiring the bathrooms and the lights and stuff like that, so that about wraps up everything I got to say that I can remember. I will see you guys later, and this car is spraying water, oh my gosh. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for all the support as always. I'm gonna be picking a new giveaway winner. It's gonna be Anthony YOC, so I'll make a video about that, and please get back to me so I can give you some tools, or a tool, and if not, then it'll go to the next person, and if not that person, then I will just repick a new series of winners, and hopefully we can give something away. So anyways guys, that's gonna wrap it up, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Sorry, this video is really confusing and all over the place. See you guys later. Peace out.